We are discussing how to install the Putty. So first we download the exe file of Putty. So just type download. So first we select this one, download Putty here, and we have selected 64-bit. Download the files. Then copy this file and paste on that server where we want to install. Now we have paste the putty exe file, then we need to run that file. Then there one page is came, then we just go to next. Simple installation, very simple, just next and finish. And finish. Now we have installed the Putty. This is a dashboard of Putty where we have put the ex IP address of that host, which one we need to access. So on next video we will show the how to access the host through Putty. So thanks for watching.